Happy Friday, everyone. Wow, what a weird 2 weeks we have had. Thank you for everyone who has stayed patient and has, followed along and done the best that we've been able to do. This is not easy with remote learning and everything that's thrown in there the last 2 weeks. Great job, everyone giving their best efforts. Let's first talk about what you're supposed to do today. Our goal today is to review topics 10 and 11. That being said, you're going to have a test probably sometime next week, possibly Thursday. All right. Your agenda for today, what you need to complete for math class is to watch the lesson video, the video you're watching right now. So if you see this, you're in the right spot. Then you need to complete Math Excel 10 and 11 review. So make sure that gets completed. Again, possible test next week. Then what you've all been waiting for, the Friday joke. What did the duck say when he bought lipstick? Put it on my bill. Oh, that's a good joke. All right, before you get started on your Math Excel assignment, I want to review a couple of things. So first, let's start with a ratio. A ratio could be 8 cats to 2 dogs. We can make equivalent ratios by multiplying by 2 or multiplying by any number. And we could get 16 cats to 4 dogs. Or we could divide by 2 in this case. And we would get 4 cats to 1 dog. So that's what a ratio is. Here we're talking about animals, so the units are the same. Okay, and equivalent by multiplying or dividing. Next, we have rates and unit rates. An example of a rate would be you traveled 10 miles in 20 minutes. That is a rate because these are two different units. Miles and minutes are different units. Now to find the unit rate, we need to get our denominator to 1. So we need to figure out how far we traveled in 1 minute. How we do that is divide by 20. Whatever you do to the denominator, you need to do to the numerator. So we divide by 20. 10 divided by 20 is going to be 0.5 miles. So in this case, you traveled a half a mile per minute. Again, that 1 is per. Right, great job with that. Hopefully this is all making sense to you. Next, let's go to unit price. What is, or let's say you spend $8.25 when you bought 5 candy bars. C represents candy bars. Unit price has to have the price in the numerator, so it has to be up top. The number of units that you're buying is on the bottom. So this would be our rate. To get to the unit price, just like unit rate, you need to get the denominator to 1. So we would divide by 5. We would divide by 5. I do not know what 825 divided by 5 is. I'm going to have to get my calculator out here, which you can definitely use. 8.25 divided by 5 is $1.65 per candy bar. Okay. That is a little bit of a review of topic 10 and 11. Again, please make sure you are completing Math Excel 10 and 11 review. That is going to be an in-class assignment. Remember, those in-class assignments are worth more points. So please do the best that you can. Take your time, show your work. If you have any questions throughout the day today, which is Friday, you can send me an email. My email is ebettinger@springboro.org. And hopefully I can answer their question through email. And if we need to set up a Google Meet, we can. All right, have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.